Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sounds on the Uno game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Uno game on your device, and once the game is fully loaded and opened up, you might need to log into your account using your Facebook or your Google Play. After logging in, you will be taken to the main menu, from which, if you wish to change the game sound settings, click on the settings option at the bottom left corner. From the settings page, click on the sounds tab underneath general, and now you will find the sound as well as the music option. Just click on the toggle button at the right side to turn off the sound as well as the music alongside the respective options. You can also change the voice pack by clicking on the drop down menu, and if you have downloaded further voice pack or unlocked more, then you can choose whichever voice pack you wish to use as well. And there you have it. That is how you can change your sound settings and turn off your sounds if you wish to do so on the Uno game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.